What's inside one of these USB plugs. Well, today I'm going to show you how it looks inside. On these little cheap ones, you can made in China. Yeah, it's spooky there. Anyway, we can take this apart and we'll take a look inside here. As we can see here, just focus in a little bit more and we can see a couple of resistors there. Not too much there, it's all kind of compact in there. Got a capacitor there, a little resistor blue there, and another capacitor there, another resistor, a couple of one-way dials in there. That's your voltage reducer from 120 down to 5 volts. There's the brain, a couple more little resistors here, and there, there, and there, and there, and there. Not much to it. Anyway, that's just the way some of these are built. It's all in similar ways, but alright, well, that was fun taking that apart. Thanks for watching.